President Droupadi Murmu has assured to extend all possible help to the internally displaced people of Manipur and victims affected by recent flood that wreaked havoc. This assurance was made during the meeting of Governor of Manipur Anusuya Uike and President of India Droupadi Murmu at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi today. During the meeting, Governor Anusuya Uike congratulated the President for smooth and successful conduct of swearing-in ceremony of the new government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the center. She apprised the President about the recent flood that wreaked havoc in Manipur and the relief and rescue works taken up by the state and central agencies. Citing the hardships faced by the internally displaced persons, IDPs, in various relief camps in the state, she also requested the President for immediate action for resettlement of the displaced people to their respective places, including providing financial assistances. She invited the President to attend the convocation ceremony of Manipur University. Meanwhile, she also met Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman at Rashtrapati Bhavan and requested for providing financial assistance to the state of Manipur.